Unleash your e-commerce empire, mastering the art of dropshipping. Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Are you ready to dive into the exhilarating world of dropshipping and turn your e-commerce dreams into a lucrative reality? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're uncovering the secrets to profiting in the dynamic realm of dropshipping. Dropshipping isn't just about selling products. It's about creating a thriving online business without the hassle of inventory management and shipping logistics. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce enthusiast or just starting out, there's never been a better time to harness the power of dropshipping and build a profitable online empire. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your online store is generating sales while you focus on scaling your business. That's the beauty of dropshipping. It's a business model that offers flexibility, scalability, and endless opportunities to showcase your entrepreneurial spirit. And let's talk about the earning potential. From identifying winning products and optimizing marketing strategies to providing exceptional customer service, dropshipping entrepreneurs have the power to create substantial profits with the right mindset and tactics. You can build a thriving e-commerce empire and achieve financial independence. So, if you're ready to unleash your e-commerce potential and embark on an exhilarating journey towards dropshipping success, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of aspiring and thriving entrepreneurs. Together, we'll uncover the secrets to finding winning products, mastering marketing techniques, and building a profitable dropshipping business that stands out in the competitive online marketplace. Get ready to conquer the world of e-commerce. The dropshipping revolution starts now.